In Persian, we say child, بچه, بچه, or کودک, کودک, بچه or کودک. کودک is formal. بچه or کودک. Please repeat after me. The plural of بچه is بچه ها, بچه ها, بچه ها. And the plural of کودک is کودکان, کودکان. This slide feels good, really good. In Persian, grandmother is مادر بزرگ, مادر بزرگ, مادر بزرگ. And grandfather is پدر بزرگ, پدر بزرگ, پدر بزرگ. Our child's daughter or our child's boy in Persian is نوه, نوه. In Iran, actually, we usually have a lot of respect and affection for our grandparents. We even call elderly people on the street grandmother or grandfather. عمو, عمو. عمو means the father's brother. دایی, دایی, دایی. دایی means the mother's brother. Again, عمو, عمو. دایی, دایی. So, عمو means the father's brother and دایی means the mother's brother. However, in Iranian culture, we also use عمو or دایی to address older men who have a familiar or a friendly relationship with us. If the relationship is formal, we refer to them by their last name. Okay? Unlike English, and it doesn't make a difference between mother, sister, or father, sister. In Farsi, we say خاله, خاله. خاله means the mother's sister. خاله, خاله. he doesn't pronounce clearly. خاله, خاله. عمه, عمه. عمه means the father's sister. Similar to عمو and دایی, in Iranian culture, we also use خاله or عمه to address older women who have a familiar or friendly relationship between us. We usually use خاله more often. For example, خاله سارا or عمو سعید. After عمو or خاله or عمه, we say first name. خاله سارا، عمو سعید. In this slide, I try to summarize different ages and write them down for you so that you can learn more easily. From birth to 1 old is called نوزاد. 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 1 to 12 years called کودک. کودک or بچه. بچه. he doesn't pronounce clearly. بچه. I don't say بچه. I say بچه. بچه. Next word is نوجوان. نوجوان means teenager. نوجوان. 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 Adult is in Persian جوان. 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 Next word is میان سال. میان سال. میان سال. 52-70. میان سال. And مسن. مسن or سالمند. سالمند or پیر. or پیر. مسن. مسن. سالمند. سالمند. پیر. پیر. It is polite to say مسن or سالمند. Peer is not polite.